I try to keep it square. No, just this way.
It's gonna be difficult to do, no?
Put some tension on the ratchet. Yeah, this gloves suck. But at least there's something, so.
It's better than your skin.
True.
No girl likes a guy with meat hooks for hands.
Oh, also true. Keep going till it clicks. Got one?
Another one?
Try one more click again. Oh.
Now we got another one.
Okay. Put some tension. It's almost there. Getting close to the center wheels. Okay. I think this is it.
One more?
No, let's see. Yes, fairly square. Okay, let's get the jack stands. Yeah, careful with the last one. The whole thing will drop. No, don't hold it. Wiggle the steering wheel. There you go. It's good now.
Good enough.
Or turn the steering wheel left. Yep, keep going.
You sure? Not the other way?
Try it the other way. Okay, there you go. Alright.
Good enough.
Let's see the damage on the inside. Alright. This kind of looks straight, but uncertain. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, Tyler's here.
Alright. Finish him off the easy way. Alright. This battery's dead already.
You can use my gun. I'm recharging the battery right now.
Yeah. I have I don't know if I brought my charger. Maybe we should save it for really stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. Let's make sure we actually go the right way. Yep, there it goes.
Alrighty then.
Alright, sway bar's free.
Oh no, there's 2 more bolts on the other side.
Oh, are you serious? Where? No, not.
Right here. That just takes a wrench, so. This is out somehow. It's free here. The suspension of the suspending, so I think the strut is okay. And I should check it anyways, just in case.
Hello, Yuri.
Hey, Chris.
Safety first, guys.
What?
I said safety first.
What?
Safety first. God damn it.
One is not like the other. I guess it worked like the factory designed, which is makes me happy. Oh yeah. Let's do the other side. Right. That's done. Next. There you go. Okay, go down now. Okay. That sits here. Hold on. Let me grab it down the side, just lift it up slightly so it doesn't go public.
It's already on the ground.
Oh, okay, well, never mind. Yeah, take the wood out. Yeah. There you go. Alright, and let's just slide it out. You can just come out, so. There you go. And it's clear on your side?
Yep. Hang on a second. I just got a bunch of shit on the way.
Right? Yep. Alright. Alright. Now it's gonna be easier to work.
A lot easier.
Alright, so I need to cut this part. I'm gonna cut here.
Yeah, that part's
here.
supposed to be straight, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit, it should be slightly straight, you know. And maybe take down the bolt end so I can just get a replacement of the same. Yep, okay.
So
yeah.
this should just come off, right?
Which part?
The control arm should just come
Yeah,
off.
if you just step it.
I gotta detach the sway bar first.
Yeah, so we can actually just flip it.
14.
Here's 14 equal. There you go. You just take this one out. This is full battery, so.
We're not gonna fuck around anymore. Whoop, broke it off.
Shit? Okay. Alright, we're gonna drill and make a new hole, so we can get that. Need to take this off.
It's a little baby sway bar.
I don't know if it does anything, but it's there, so might as well leave it. just try to take it out.
So this was the one I loosened one of these and it was just spinning.
Okay, try to just take out this one. Yeah, that's
See,
it.
it's spinning on the other side.
Right, it's not
See?
this.
So how do you get that off?
No, this is the Japanese American design, so you cannot hold it. While like a German design, there's actually a slot to hold it from the other side. It's usually there's a hex, so there's a hex on this side. So you're supposed to hold it by a hex, then which is rather rusted out, so you're just gonna cut it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just cut it. I'm gonna cut it. Well, let's try to take the inside, so this is free. And if it's free, then this just comes out in this garbage. So just extra spray here.
You want me to just try it with this?
Yeah, go for it. See if it comes out. Oh, okay. Ow. Alright. So do I go.
You were saying?
Yep. Ow. That happened.
That was easy.
Yay!
That only took 3 hours.
We did it!
The piece is still inside.
We almost no we did. It came out.
Yeah,
It's
it
just,
did. Oh, there you go.
there it goes. Wait a minute. There it is. Yay!
Okay.
Now we just have to bend it straight again.
Hammer time. Here you go. Stop. Hammer time. That looks good. Let's try it.
Very close.
You're doing it. Alright, so the rear suspension completely out. Ain't no wheels here. The front, the bottom control arm bolted up, so that's nice. The CV joint came apart, so that needs to be repaired. And we took the strut out because it cut the CV joint, so I need to clean up the whole thing so it works better. We made a little mess, but we're cleaning up now. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One. Haha.